two questions.
Go ahead. Oh, go ahead, please.
It's other topic. So, is it true that at the time of Adam there were other beings in other places? Why the historians say they found bones of, for example, Neanderthals?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Well, why saying this? I mean, they say no.
Somebody said that there were other types of beings at that time, but the story of Genesis was only focused on that region in the world.
Mm-hmm. About this old bones. So they use this. I think methods is called carbon dating or something, if I remember correctly.
Yeah.
So it's been proven many times that it's not true. So it counts on that nothing ever changed, and the weather was stable as it is today. So it's like stable all through the all of these years, which is not true. You understand? So we know that the climate changes, and if you read the Medrash, so it's actually the seasons start after the flood. Before flood, there were no seasons. So altogether, I think how many seasons? 6 seasons or 8 seasons. So we have to check what it says. So it's sowing, it's winter and summer, it's harvesting. So all these things are like different seasons. So they say many things. I think if you go on Rabbi Mizrachi Shlita websites, at least many years ago, it was this what is it, documentary, like on top banner, how old is our world, and it was this professor, like one of the honest ones that would and he would provide experiment, and he and his son were able to produce coal, like in a lab. So this science says it needs 1 million of years that like to press the wood, but he said we did it in a few months, and then he showed how and stuff like that. So